What is up, what is up, what is up YouTube? It is your boy Dominzs here at Common Sense Graphics. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw on your iPad a Graffiti D, a kind of quick, fast way just to get a cool little design out in Procreate. But enough of me talking, let's get into the video. So as you know, if you pay attention to my videos, the first thing you should do is always outline or sketch out what you want to draw. In my picture, for example, I'm going to draw a bubble style D, and I'm not aiming for perfection. I just want to get it going, you know, just to get the ball rolling. And if you want to draw a more intricate style of a letter, then you can. Just have some fun with it, be a little goofy, add some background detail, and just show it off. And like I said, this is just a rough sketch, so trial and error is always welcome, and you can always do a lot of things with it before you start inking it in. And I do want to apologize about my hair. My hair is in this video. I'm sorry about that. I had the camera too far away, and I was obviously below the camera, but I'm sorry about that. But after an initial sketch, just begin outlining your character like any other drawing that you would do digitally, and just keep on practicing it. As you can see here, I'm having some issues with the round part of the Z, and since I'm inking it in, I can't really sketch it out, and so I had to be like one full straight line, and so that was just an issue I had to do. But let's get around that part real quickly. Pretty much after you finish drawing out your ink lining, your outlining of your character or whatever you're drawing, and Procreate, what you want to do next is create a new layer, just so you can be able to draw underneath of it. And then the layer that you've already drawn on, make sure you select it and then select it as a reference, so you can be able to ink it in and fill it in without no issue. And then pretty much from there, it's just, you know, trial and error on your coloring. Whatever style of coloring that you want to do, you can do it. And just have some fun with it. You could do a lot of cool things. Procreate has a really cool brush set built into it, and so you could do a lot of things with it. But that's pretty much the video. Just, you know, have fun with it. I'm going to put out more iPad videos, and I promise you that my hair is not going to be in the video no more. This is just my first outer video, style video. So I'm sorry about my hair being in the video. But you know who it is. It's your boy Dominzs here at Common Sense Graphics. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be putting some more content up real soon of different types of drawings, probably people drawings. And yeah, just having a lot of fun with what I'm doing. Your boy out. Enjoy the rest of the video.